Welcome back to Rejoice Health Living. My name is Chef Rejoice, and today I have prepared for you a very simple recipe, scrambled eggs with the mixture of colored vegetables. I hope you will enjoy to cook with me, and let's cook together. Now I'm going to start making my dish, and I'm going to use sunflower oil. We'll start with putting carrots and onion because they take a long time to cook than the rest. I will quick stir fry it for a short time before adding tomatoes, bell pepper, and spinach. Now I'm going to add the rest of the veggies, the bell pepper, tomatoes, but for the spinach, I will add them after putting my eggs because they have the tendency to release water and I don't want to mess up my eggs. At this point, I want to add the pinch of salt and keep stir frying it. Mix them well. You don't want to overcook your veggies. They need to still stay fresh, and the mixture of their colors have to stay very fresh. We have red, yellow, green, white. That is how we want to maintain the colorful dish. At this time, I want to break my eggs, and we will add the eggs to the veggies. As you can see, my veggies are well done, and I have put high temperature in my stove so that it will not overcook. And then I'm going to add my eggs. Remember, we are making scrambled egg, so this is how we do. Now I'm just going to add the spinach, and it's not going to take a long time. This is very soft, so just for a few minutes our dish will be done. If you are looking for a meal which is high in nutrients, vitamins, almost zero carbs, this is the great deal to go about. You can have it during your lunch, your dinner, or even during your breakfast. It is very healthy and no carbs at all, but it is going to keep you fuller for a long time. Now our dish is ready. We are going to serve it. We don't need to overcook it, it's just done. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and you are going to cook it and share with me in the comment box how did you find it. And keep eating health until we meet again.